Hi everyone, it's Amanda and welcome back to my channel. I have a cute little mini book to share with you today using the Georgia Blues collection from Prima. This is what I have left. I had a package of flowers with the butterflies, a 6x6 paper pad, and I had the 3x4 journaling cards, and this is everything that I have left after making this adorable little mini book. I have so many of these 3x4 cards. I don't know what to do with these yet, so I'll have to think of something. But anyway, the book measures approximately, let's see, is it 5.5? It is 5 by 5.25. And then the spine is about 2 inches, yeah. So the front cover is just, paper from the collection. And then these flowers and butterfly was in the package of flowers that I purchased. This little pop-up here was part of the 3x4 card that I trimmed and then matted and added to the front. Then on the side is just a piece of paper from the collection, and then one of the flowers, and then this is a piece of vellum that was actually part of the packaging, and I loved it so much that I put it in there. And then this is the back. So when you open it up, like I said, there's 3 pages here, and then on the left side is a pocket. And I did the pocket on the inside this time rather than the outside, which I normally do. And this is just a photo mat or a journaling spot, and another flower from the collection. Over here to the right, this is magnetized and pulls out, and it's good for photos or for journaling. It's a light color. And then you'll see what just popped out here was I also have in this space a spot for pictures or photos or journaling. Pictures and photos, I guess, are the same thing, right? So this just tucks in there. Normally it doesn't come out, but I had just pulled these out for a picture, so they weren't in the right. So this here is another 3x4 card, and I made it as a pocket for a little place for a journal or photo spot. And then you flip it over, and I have a picture frame here with a couple of the scrap pieces making the ribbon tabs at the bottom. And then this is the same as the first one with a little pocket, and that pulls out, and then there's also a tab here inside for pictures and journaling. I'll tuck that back in. Then we get to the last page here. We have the picture frame on this side again, the magnetized pull out, and the spot for journaling cards. So I made everything just the same, and we have the pull out here for pictures. And then this is the last photo frame, and I just love this so much with the little fish tails here as like a ribbon. And then again, the pockets on the inside, and a space for journaling and pictures, and another flower. So this was really, really cute, really, really fun to work with, and I love the results. If I can find the paper line or the collection, I will note it below. But otherwise, thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.